Sweet like a beast, train like a champion. The science behind how much water you need during exercises. Hi, my name is Steve and welcome to my channel, R.N.FitLife. Let's dive onto the topic, hydration. In this video, I'm going to debunk myths, provide clear guidance, and empower you guys on hydration strategies. Dehydration myths. The pinch test, also known as the skin turgor test, is the skin ability to change shape and then return back to normal. Pinch the skin over the back of the hand, abdomen, or under the collarbone for a few seconds. If it snaps back immediately, you are well hydrated. If you're mild dehydrated, there will be a slight delay. Factors that make this test unreliable are age, underlying health conditions, and environmental conditions can affect accuracy of this test, and skin elasticity. Capillary nail refill test. Quick and invasive tests used for hydration and vascular system. When the body is well hydrated, blood is good, capillaries are quick and prompt to respond and refill. To begin, apply pressure to the nail bed with your thumb until the color fades white. Release the pressure to the nail bed and monitor how quickly the pink color floods back into the nail bed. Normal hydration conditions should happen under 3 seconds. Factors that make this test unreliable are cold temperatures and peripheral vascular disease, just to name a couple. Dehydration is when the body does not have enough water to function properly, while hydration is when the body has enough water to function properly from external sources, meaning you have to drink it. Fun fact, fruits and vegetables can help your hydration as well. Factors affecting hydration needs. Daily water needs vary based on one's weight, activity level, climate, and medical conditions. Baseline hydration recommendations. Introduce an 8-ounce glass of water per hour for the first 10 hours of your day, and 12 to 16 ounce working in the summer heat. And continue this method not just for the warm seasons, but also for the fall and winter with 8 ounces of water for the first 10 hours throughout your day. Hydration during exercises. The Galpin equation is a metric used to calculate how much water to consume during exercise. And how you determine this number is taking your body weight in pounds and divide that by 30 to determine how many ounces of water to drink every 15 to 20 minutes during your exercise. So for example, if you're somebody who weighs 200 pounds, you're gonna take your weight, divide that by 30, and you're gonna get 6.7. And that's how many ounces you need to drink every 15 to 20 minutes during your exercise, especially if you're more intense. And then for the people who live outside the US, you will multiply your weight in kilograms by 2 to determine how many milliliters of water to drink every 15 to 20 minutes. And if you're sweating a lot or in hot weather, you will increase the water amount by 50 to 100%. Electrolytes and other considerations. Electrolytes balance the amount of water in your body. Potassium helps your cells, your heart, and your muscles work properly. Sodium controls the amount of fluid in your body. Also helps your nerves and muscles work properly. Electrolytes also help retain fluids in your body, prevents dehydration during exercises or extreme hot weather. Potential benefits of infused water and low sugar sport drinks. Infused water provides adequate hydration. Tasty flavors leads more people to drink more water. Weight loss replaces sugary flavored beverages. Replace them with infused water actually dramatically decreases sugar and carbs. Decrease sugar and carb intake and achieve sustainable weight loss. It also can contribute to feeling of fullness. It can also help cancer patients. Several cancer centers recommend infused water as a way to stay hydrated during and after cancer treatment. Low sugar sport drinks contain carbohydrates for strenuous exercises over 1 hour. Contain sodium to help retain water and potassium and amino acids to enhance muscle recovery. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, hit the like and subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, hit that notification button so that you know every time when I drop a new video. Monitoring hydration. If you have become thirsty, it's a sign that you have waited too long to drink water. Additional signs and symptoms include cracked lips, decreased urine output, headache, low energy, and drowsiness, just to name a few. Assessing your urine color is a great first method to determine proper hydration levels. Light, straw-like color, proper hydration. Dark, concentrated urine, not enough fluids, and you might want to consult with your PCP. Other ways to help you get enough fluids are, in today's age, we all have one of these. There are so many apps that we can download on our devices. There's actually now hydration tracking apps where you can track the amount of fluid that you take throughout your day, so that you can be on target to reach your goals that you have set for yourself. Also, there are smart water bottles that have like encouraging messages to keep you on track, that you are at every hour drinking the amount of water that's required for you so you can complete the goal that you have set by the end of the day. So just to recap, you want to drink 8 ounces of water within the first 10 hours of your day. And if you're working through extreme hot weather conditions, you want to bump that up to 12 to 16 ounces for the first 10 hours. When you're exercising, you want to use the Galpin method, which is you take your body weight divided by 30, and that is the amount of ounces per every 15 to 20 minutes you should be sipping on throughout your workout, especially when it's more intense or you're working outside in extreme hot conditions. Also, when you reach the point of being thirsty, that is a late sign of you being dehydrated. You don't want to wait till you're thirsty. You actually want to look at other signs. When you go to the bathroom, look at your urine. If it's a light straw color, you're in good shape. And if it's dark and concentrated, then you are dehydrated and you want to start putting some fluids inside of your body. Also, there are apps that you can use to help you stay hydrated so that you don't fall off. And there is also smart bottles where you can use to track your progress of how much water you're drinking throughout the day. Consult with your primary care provider for personal guidance if you need it. Also, if you want information on how to stay hydrated and what things you should and shouldn't do, here's this one article I found with the Multidisciplinary Digital Publishing Institute that I found that was helpful. Take a look and do some research for yourself. As always, guys, hit the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment with any questions. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.